Olivia from Stormware Sheds, and I'm here to show you two of our greenhouse models that we have on display at our showroom. So we can check out this one right here. This is an 8x12 greenhouse that we have. It has some neat features in it. If you come inside, it has a twin wall polycarbonate with a hardy board wainscoting that goes along the bottom half of the building. And then inside of here we have a neat solar fan that we just started offering. It goes inside of this vent right here. It's powered by solar completely in the solar panel up in the roof. You can also plug it in if you would like for it to run constantly. It starts powering on when it reaches about 73 degrees inside of the greenhouse. It'll kick on instantly. We also have another vent in the gable end here for just some extra airflow inside. And it's also on a 4x4 pressure treated base, and you can put this on top of gravel or pavers or concrete. This one is sitting on top of gravel at our showroom here, so it's kind of neat. And you can also paint it in your color of choice, so we can custom match it for you.
Do you bring it in fully assembled or build it at my house?
We can build it on site at your house or bring it in fully assembled. It's your choice. All right, let's go check out our other greenhouse model. This is a custom 8x10 greenhouse. It has some neat features on it. It has a 3-foot garden door with some glass in it. And instead of the normal polycarbonate material, we did windows that open and close with screens in them all around the building. So let's go check out the inside. In this one, we did a wrap-around workbench all around it, so you can do your potting and stuff all inside the interior. As you can see, the whole inside is all windows, so it's really light inside. It's really neat. And then we also have two vents on the gable ends for airflow.
And then I noticed this one has a floor structure where the other one didn't.
Yeah, so this one we just did a wood frame base inside of the greenhouse instead of a no floor on gravel. You can put it on a no floor if you want and have it with a gravel base inside. This model we did it with a wood floor instead.
Where can I find pricing?
So on our website, stormwaresheds.com, we have a 3D design tool that you can build and price out your building. We have our greenhouses on there, so you can design out any size that you would like. We also have an inventory page with all of our readily available inventory sheds that are pre-built and ready to go. And we have pricing for these exact models on there as well, so feel free to check us out.